Here it comes. I'll try to hold it still. It's a pretty good place because you don't have to stand down there next to all them clanging bells at the crossing. Here he comes. Another Norfolk Southern. Looks like a coal train. Yeah. Wow, this is just like going fishing. This is number 3 for the day. I'm doing all right. This is Southbound in Athens, Tennessee. 3:03 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, right behind the hospital. Wow, it's really quiet. I'm gonna say like, share, and subscribe while I'm thinking about it. Give another shout out to my day, shout out today from my buddies Jason up in the UP and Jawtooth in Cincinnati and Wide World of Trains up in New York. Maybe we'll get a DPU, all right. Virtual Rail Fan is here in Athens over on the other side of town. I didn't know that till the other day. Y'all be sure and check his YouTube channel. He's got trains everywhere. It's unbelievable. That's what it ought to be. Unbelievable rail fans. Little break, it sounds like. Well, there's the end. Thanks for watching. Y'all be well.